Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una day? I hope una day fine. How everything? I hope everything day fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I day fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, he go chocolize you. Everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you wait for? As you subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una, make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all, stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
I'm his big fan.
Let's go. One time. I get this, I get that. How myself? They go to hey. I did live before, didn't I? Oh, like that? Oh, okay.
Hey, careful, baby. Careful.
Are you correct? I see you. Quando chora, na situação é formado. Ai, na situation é formado. Baba Kyoya me, Iolu Kyoya. Anoko Europe kandu shoro. Situation é formado. Situation bless me double. So la enemies don't go laugh me. Oh, bless my hustle. Nice one, bro. Nice one.
That was wonderful performance.
Yes. We're still here live. Roma, Italy. I told you the world. Everywhere that we did. We're celebrating, man. Nice one. Thanks for joining the live. You're reaching the building all the way from New York, stand up!
In Roma.
Yes.
It's going down. Benin people hold down. Those states.
We're global now.
Yes. And they must move forward. We here. That they reach the president from NYC. You see my man right here.
Toronto.
Was good. We talk about we are here, yo. We outside.
Yes.
DJ Apada, let's go.
Yes. Shout out. Now we're live. Big shout out. You're live, right? Yeah, I'll be live. Hi, yo. I go by the name of VS, and we are out here at Edo Carnival 2021 in Roma. Yes. And you know that I do legendary. When I mean legendary, we got part of them all. One love, man.
God bless you.
Yes. Hey, manamu Edo, manamu Adiru.
Olivia Domarero me vera. This is Edo Carnival in Rome. Live and direct.
Yes, big bro.
Edo for the world.
That's my big brother.
We are representing.
We're here.
I'm with one of the people. I'm Moyana the Mwe Bobe you Roma. Oba atop
Guys, let me take it to the Lion Man himself.
Yes,
that's my big brother Lion Man. We're live. You are the organizers of this event. This is Lion.
No second.
He's a great man, man. Yes, and that's him. Movement is real.
Yes, so we are going to capture the world.
Yes, Edo is global now, man.
We are going to confirm
Shout out to Edo State. We are 30 years now, Edo.
Yes, so
let's celebrate.
That is double celebration.
Yes. Papa, oh, Papa Biokwa. He's back online. There is he. Where you enter now? Okay, it's getting dark here now. We don't try. We are still celebrating. Tomorrow is the major event, big one happening in Rome. We're here. Don VS, Star Majesty, all of them. Don Clip is coming. We're gonna be full house tomorrow. I love you all for joining this live video. I just wanted to share to you guys what we're doing in Rome, Italy today. He said.